Welcome back to 4K Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a no-sew face mask using a regular size bandana and 2 hair ties. So let's get started. Step 1. Fold the bottom half to the center. Step 2. Fold the top half to the center. Step 3. Turn the bandana around. Step 4. Fold the bottom half to the center. Step 5. Fold the top half to the center. Step 6. Use one of the hair ties and secure it on the side of the bandana. Step 7. Use the other hair tie for the other side of the bandana. Step 8. Fold the right side into the center of the bandana. Step 9. Fold the left side into the center of the bandana. Step 10. Tuck one side into the other. Pull on the hair ties to secure the bandana in place. Flip the bandana over and you're ready to use it. I hope this tip has been helpful. Thank you for tuning in to 4K Tech.